The worse the global financial system gets, the higher Bitcoin goes. Bitcoin is an insurance policy against the global fiat money system collapsing. So when you see Bitcoin performing, things in the traditional financial system are not working well. The US government, the dollars had its reign. The government has one trick, and that is to print more money at any expense. So they are going to sacrifice the middle class, which they pretty much already have, and the lower classes, and they're going to continue to print money. As we head into this next recession, and banks and corporations go bankrupt, they are going to print and bail all these companies again, just like they did in 2009, because the alternative for the government not doing this is a financial collapse where, services and banks just stop working, and the fallout could be even worse. So the lesser of two evils is inflation and printing money and bailing out companies on this, rinse and repeat cycle. Bitcoin is your escape, your exit from this system. Gold no longer works like it was meant to work. Bitcoin is going to be potentially the next world reserve currency, and it is going to take off like a rocket ship in this, environment where global governments, the EU and the US, are trying to save their economies and just continue to print money. The problem is, a lot of people won't talk about, is when Bitcoin really starts taking off and it gets into the six figures, it's only a matter of time. The governments are going to crack down on it. They are going to, close these exchanges. They're going to make you do KYC on, they're going to have to make you register just buying a cold storage device. They already brought that up. This isn't conspiracy. Elizabeth Warren's, they want to, submit your driver's license when you buy a ledger. They want to know exactly where this Bitcoin is going. So, the time to buy Bitcoin, I believe, is now. You don't want to buy insurance when your house is already on fire. Yes, it's cool Bitcoin's going up, but it's also very scary because, things in the global economy are deteriorating, and, things are going to get dicey in the future. This is what they call a fourth turning time period, where things are going to be extremely volatile. And I don't think Bitcoin is a thing you should go speculate on. I think it is an insurance policy that you should have for you and your family in case something goes south. Hey, you could leave whatever country you're in if there's an emergency, and you have wealth wherever you go. There's very few assets that can do this. Bitcoin is a one-of-a-kind asset. It is one of the first digital commodities of its kind. These altcoins, you look at USDT, the government can just freeze USDT in your account whenever they want. Bitcoin is the first, non-government decentralized asset, and you're going to want to own it. It's going to be generational wealth, I believe. It's going to be like buying New York real estate in the 1800s. It's something you buy and you never sell. So follow me, the Bitcoin Capitalist, for more information on Bitcoin. And if you're interested in Bitcoin mining, check out my link in the bio.